AVIA Esergui is one of the leading companies in the oil industry in Spain. We are located in the Basque Country and we are aiming to address the key challenges of the Industry 4.0. AVIA Esergui is continuously looking for new technologies and companies that can improve cost efficiency or give additional support in terms of real data to industry players. AVIA Esergui is participating in Bind 4.0 program with the following objectives: identify potential new solutions for our core business, have direct access to leading-edge technologies and startups, and cooperate in the local startup ecosystem in the Basque Country. AVIA Esergui is looking for startups that can match the following criteria. First, disruptive technological approach. Second, focus in solving real industry problems. And third, business-driven top-class professionals on board. AVIA Esergui can provide selected startups with the required help in order to jointly develop a scalable solution that could be tested in our own premises, providing real client feedback to ensure a world-class approach and solution.